Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to manage your assets securely. Today, we're tackling a straightforward tutorial: how to withdraw USDC from Bitmart to your Phantom wallet. This process is simple, but I'll walk you through it step by step to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified account on Bitmart with some USDC in your wallet, and a Phantom wallet installed on your device. Phantom is a popular wallet for Solana and other blockchains, so double-check that your wallet is connected and you have your recovery phrase safe. Security is key in crypto. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the Bitmart website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section to view your balances. Step 2. Find the Withdrawal option. Look for the Withdraw button next to your USDC balance. This might be under a drop-down menu or a dedicated tab. Bitmart's interface is pretty user-friendly, but if you're on mobile, it could look a bit different. Step 3. Enter your Phantom wallet address. This is crucial. Copy the address directly from your Phantom app to avoid any typos. Paste it into the withdrawal form. Select USDC as the asset, and input the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, so check those first to avoid surprises. Step 4. Review and confirm. Double-check all the details, including the address and amount. You'll probably need to enable two-factor authentication here for added security. Once everything looks good, hit confirm, and Bitmart will process your withdrawal. After that, keep an eye on your Phantom wallet. Transactions on the blockchain can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it shows up, you're all set. A quick tip: always withdraw to a test amount first if you're unsure, and never share your wallet keys. If you run into issues, Bitmart's support or community forums can be super helpful. There you have it, folks. You've just withdrawn USDC from Bitmart to your Phantom wallet. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next one.